like to share a tip that I've given to a lot of cat owners. If you go away on a long weekend and maybe your litter box is prone to becoming quite smelly after a few days, you can actually add the OdorKlenz Absorbent right into your kitty litter, and it's going to help protect odors that are going to build up. It'll be very effective for you. When you come back, you're not going to be coming back to a really stinky litter box. OdorKlenz Absorbent. It can neutralize those odors for you.